Okay, Lauren, I got you up and I've got your PDF up here. Thanks so much for including that PDF. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the way that you have your file set up. I'm not seeing spreads the way that they're intended. So this, I can't really critique this because it's kind of like playing darts in the dark. Um, I don't want to say anything, or I don't want to shoot for anything and just not see it in its full light in the actual spread. For instance, this page right here is, well, let me show you the obvious example. The obvious example is this page right here, where that is obviously supposed to be spread with that. But this is how we're seeing it. So I just can't comment. I mean, I can, but it's not going to really do a whole lot of good without seeing the spread. So plus it's just too difficult. It's difficult for me to look at this and say, okay, now I can imagine that being the spread on the other side of that page. So what I want you to do is I want you to reformat your PDF just so at least I can comment. I know you're not done, but I want to get some comments. I've got plenty of comments, mostly to do with grid, but I need to see this in spreads. Can you resubmit? Basically, all you need to do is start your, looks like what you did is you probably just trashed your first page, which is the cover. In InDesign, that first page is your cover. So basically what you'll do is you'll start your spreads on page 2 and 3. Do you see what I'm saying? So that way when you export to PDF and you make sure that you select spreads when you export to PDF, you should have your page impositions correct. Okay, again, so yeah, so if you, let me see if I can. Now, I mean, I want to show you something really quick, okay? Just why I got you on the line here. I'm gonna go to announcements. Okay, I'm gonna go to announcements. And I posted this, maybe you already read it, but this was it. I posted this last night. It says how to set up your booklet for printing. And this shows exactly how to do this. And I also included how to set it up in InDesign. So basically, it looks like what you've done is probably, I'm guessing, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm guessing that you deleted that page and started your cover on page 2 and then your spread accordingly like that. So that's why we're not lining up. You want to put your front cover on page 1, your back cover on the last page. Then the inside, of course, the inside is going to be blank. Then the next page is going to be blank or an introduction. Then your spreads will start on page 4 or 5. So all explained right here. It makes really good sense too, I think. If you read that and reformat this, it would be great. All right, thanks very much.